Okay, so to start off with this look, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm not gonna fill in my brows. I just want to make them blonde. So I'm gonna take some concealer and dab it onto my eyebrows. I already added lash glue to them to press them down. So now I'm just taking my concealer. I'm just gonna add some drops all around them. And then I'm just gonna take this fluffy brush and just blend that product in there. Okay, so that first layer I don't think I added enough, and you could still see like the color of my eyebrows, but this time I like drenched them in concealer. I think I'm just gonna let it dry down like that and then just remove like the excess around the brows at the end. So I'm just gonna leave it like that for right now. And now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead, place down a base. I'm gonna use a concealer. The concealers that I've been using are the Tarte ones. And for my brows, I used light medium, which is similar to my complexion. Now I'm gonna take another color. I think I'm gonna take, yeah, I'm gonna take Fair Neutral. So this one's pretty light, and I'm gonna use this one as the base. I don't know, for me, I like using lighter concealers for my base on my eyelids, just so that the eyeshadows really stand out. I'm just gonna apply some of that to the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna use a flat brush and just cover my eyelid. So now moving on to eyeshadows, and I just wanted to show you guys, I have these little butterfly clips that I'm going to be adding to my hair. Oh, and I'm adding a wig, a blonde wig, so that's also why I did my brows so much lighter. And I just have like a few little accessories, so I kind of want to go off that palette, that color palette. So I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette by Morphe. It's the NC Color Me Cool palette. So I think I'm just going to take the lighter shades like this baby blue and this lime green. Just a light wash of these colors and apply it lightly onto my crease. I'm going to be using a super fluffy brush so I don't get too much pigment. This is the Makeup Shack brush in T12. Done with the crease, and it just came out a little bit darker than I thought that I wanted it to go, but since I was mixing the blue and the green, I took the wrong amount of each color on this eye and it was looking too green, so I had to add more blue, and then it ended up looking like this. But I like the color. I feel like it looks more green on camera, but it is more of like a turquoise. I'm gonna take there's two shimmers. This one's a little bit more blue, so I'm gonna take that one and I'm just gonna apply that all over my lid. I'm gonna take, this is a Rare Beauty palette, and I'm gonna take, they have a shimmer in here. It's called Elevate, and it kind of like has like a gold green reflex to it. I do the worst swatches. Let me see, hold on. Let's see. There, kind of. I swear my lighting is gonna be better for the next video. I already ordered another light. Don't even worry about it, girl. I got you. Next video, the lighting will be better. Anyways, I'm gonna take that shimmer and I'm gonna apply that to like right underneath my eyebrow, like my brow bone. I don't know if you can see the color too well, but it's so pretty. So I think I'm gonna take the other side of this brush. This is an Urban Decay brush that came with the Naked 3 palette, and I actually really like it. The other side is a flatter end, so I'm gonna take this side and then spray some of my setting spray to be able to get more pigment out of the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna pack that into my inner corners. Okay, so I feel like I need to add some more sparkle, especially like on the lid. So I'm taking, it's an Artist Couture highlighter. They're loose highlighters, in Gold Digger, and this one has like gold shimmers to it. So I think I'm just gonna take that same brush that I was using for my inner corner and just gonna pack some of this just a little bit and then add a few sprays. Let's see, and then just add a few sparkles to my lid. And to finish off the eyes, I'm gonna add lashes. I don't know if these are gonna look cute. They're kind of dramatic, but I really like that they have like that cat eye effect with a lot of volume at the ends. These are from Wet n Wild. Here are the lashes on, and I think they look so cute. I think they're perfect for this look. So they're like very, very long and wispy at the end. And I think they just make your eyes look really cute, like very cartoonish. And I applied foundation. I did my favorite, the Milani Conceal and Perfect. And I'm just going to do very, very little bronze contour. Not really contour, just a little bit of bronze to add some color to my face. I'm going to add concealer. And I'm going to be using this one. It's a new one. It's, well, new for me. I think this is like super old because I found it at Marshall's. But it's the Becca Ultimate Coverage Concealer in the color, I think it's Banana. Yeah. And I don't even know if Becca still exists, but I found this at my Marshall's. So cheap, like $6. And I used a little bit the other day and I think I liked it. I like the color and it's very thick. So I'm gonna be applying this underneath my eyes. So I know I didn't contour my face, but now I think I want to contour my nose at least. So I'm going to take this, it's the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm going to contour my nose. I'm going to try to make it look as small and petite as possible because I feel like fairies have like very cute small noses. So I'm going to try to make it look like rounded and more up. So let me see. First I'm going to add some on the sides. Take my concealer and I'm just going to draw pretty much a line down my nose. And then some here at the tip. Before I do add powder, I want to add, this is the last cream product I'm going to be adding. It's blush. It's Fenty Cream Blush in Bikini Martini. So I'm going to be adding this to the apples of my cheeks. I don't really like doing that normally because it makes my face look round. But I think it'll help make my look more youthful. So I'm going to be applying that on the center or on the apples of my cheeks and then just a little bit on my nose. I feel like I want some pink on my nose too. Now I'm going to set my under eyes and using the Huda Beauty powder and this little mini sponge. I'm going to take the powder and just set my under eye area. My under eyes to be really bright, so I'm just going to take a little bit of this brightening pink powder by Morphe, and using that same little sponge I'm just gonna like pack some of that underneath, like right here in this little triangle area, not too low or not too far out, just concentrating it like in this inner corner area. Set a little bit of the cream blush, so I'm going to take this Lottie London blush in Exposed. I'm going to take the colors that I used in my crease and I'm going to apply those underneath my lash line. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the shimmer that I applied onto my lid and focus that on the like inner parts of my lower lash line. And for my waterline, I want to use this like a nude color. It's from Tres Luce Beauty, Becky G's makeup line, and this is in the color Tranquila. Now I'm going to go in with highlighter, and I'm going to be taking this one by Wet n Wild. It's a loose highlighter. This is in the color Hustle and Glow. It's like this champagne color. So I'm going to take this and apply this on the high points of my face. Finish off with my lips. First, I'm gonna line my lips, and I think I'm gonna kind of fill in my lips using this NYX lip liner in Natural. Also, as I'm lining my lips, I'm not going to overline too much, and I'm also gonna focus on my Cupid's bow area and try to make that as like pointy as possible. For lipstick, I'm going to use this Kim K lipstick in Nude 2.5. It's a very pale peach nude. For lip gloss, I'm going to take, this is an e.l.f. lip plumping lip gloss in Champagne Glam. And I feel like it kind of makes my lips, because it has glitter in it and you can really see the glitter. So it kind of makes my lips look a little bit like metallic-y in a way. So I'm going to add a lot of this gloss. Alright, so I'm done with the makeup, and now I have like a bunch of cute little accessories. I have like little fairy ears, a wig. You guys, I thought I was going to be able to apply this wig with no effort, but damn, I forgot I had a big ass head. I have a big head, I have a lot of hair. So this is obviously, I was like, oh, I'm gonna make it look so cute, it's gonna look like it's actually my hair. No, I just threw it on. I put the ball, even putting the ball caps, I struggled. Like, look at the, okay, this is not the video for how to apply a wig. Anyways, this is as good as it's gonna get. But then I also bought these cute little ears off Amazon. That's what they look like. They're so cute. So I think I'm going to like section off. Oh, if you guys see a picture of me on Instagram with this look and this area looks flawless, I'm for sure gonna like edit this. But I mean, it doesn't look that bad. Okay, so I'm gonna section off a chunk of hair on each side. Oh my god, right now, literally the wig popped off my head because it's so big, so I'm hoping it doesn't do that right now. Let me see. No, the other way. Yeah. They literally hook onto your ear. So I'm going to put these on like that and just like have it. Oh, that is so cute. This is so cute. And then I bought, oh my god, I feel the wig like sliding off. I bought these butterflies, and I'm just gonna like stick them. Oh my god, I feel the wig popping off. I'm just gonna throw them on like randomly, like around. Oh, how cute! This looks so adorable. Oh my god. I got these at a local beauty supply. Not beauty supply. It's like a just like a La Cinderella. Are you guys from Nogales? They were $1. So if I can find some on Amazon, I'll link them, but they're probably not gonna be $1. Oh my god! Now I want like Halloween plans, because I want to do this so bad. This is the cutest. Oh my god. Look how cute, you guys. This one's too low. Oh my god, my dog be so loud. No, wait. Dude, I'm obsessed with this look. Oh my god, someone take me trick-or-treating. Okay. Alright, you guys, so that's the end of this video. I'm obsessed with this look. It's so cute and it was really easy. Honestly, like the wig and the ears make it. The makeup, you guys can like switch up the colors, do whatever you guys want, but these lashes too, they're so cute. Let me know what other videos you want for Halloween. I have one more idea. But I love making these. So if you guys have more ideas, let me know in the comments and I'll see you guys in my next video.